Red Robusta is coming. Today is September 28th, Tuesday. Bilingual YouTuber Fumio Takano. Today also, I would like to inform you very important communication technique. Today is succeeding. Yesterday talking Harvard University's Professor Michael Sandel's extraordinary success lecture. Why Michael has been succeeded? Style of teaching is different. Sandel teaching is not instruction, education style. There are severe difference between instruction and education. I say a good example, COVID-19, therapeutical drug and preventative injection of immunological injection. Okay? In Japanese, 免疫をつけるスタイル。治療薬を打って治すスタイル。There are two styles, but Sandel Michael is education. Like immunological style, 免疫をつける。Okay? Why instruction is not so good? Because instruction, instructor style teaching is to put in the knowledge or idea. Like injection. Knowledge or ideas will be injection. But education, Michael Sandel's teaching is education. To teach how to think, what is my philosophy? How can I think? That's a pattern, How to think. How to study. Such a matter will be educated, Michael Sandel, so that a student will get how to study, how to work. He can do, they can do by themselves, their style of own. That's very important. The teaching like a instructor in a driving school, that is not so good. Not so good. Most important teaching is education. To give an idea how to think. How to think. How to generate our own idea. In order that mutual presentation is very important. 双方向に thinking. Of course, the lecturer should think. Student should think and think mutually. By that, every people will become thinker. Thank you.